So, to make yoga a sustainable practice for children, we must make it fun. There are many ways to make yoga fun, and one of the most fun ways to do yoga is to go on a yoga journey. So when we go on a yoga journey, first we need to get there somehow. So we can do yoga climbing, and we can get there on yoga airplanes and yoga helicopters and boats. Once we are there, we see nature around us, and we can do a mountain pose, a rock pose, a waves in the river pose, a tree pose. We look in our binoculars and we can see different yoga animals. There are so many yoga animals to do. It's so good for us. Then maybe we get hungry, so we do some food poses. We get bored and we decide to go to the playground and we do a swing and a seesaw, a carousel. From there, we decide to go to the beach and we do some yoga surfing. Then we get tired, so we go for a quiet walk on the beach. And then we enter our secret spaceship with our imagination. We close our eyes and we continue our journey through the stars and galaxies until eventually, when we are ready, we land back where we came from. So I hope you'll take this yoga journey with us, changing the world one child at a time, making this world a happier and a more fun place for all children and grown-ups. Lots of love from Rainbow Yoga. I'll see you again soon.